Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the error code 0xC004F074 Windows 10 activation error. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the fix. Click on the start button and then click on the settings icon. Now if you cannot access settings through the start button, you can directly search for settings in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to look for system. Then you have to scroll down and look for troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. And here you'll find Windows Update with the run button corresponding to it. So run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Now what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. It will also automatically fix the issue for you, so you just need to simply run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and follow what it suggests from here. Then for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Now here in this block window, simply type SFC space / scan now. It's SFC space / scan now, hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan. This will fix and check for all system corrupted files, which is a very helpful fix. So what you can do is you just need to wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is completed, you just need to simply close out of here, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for that, your issue will be fixed. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.